If you want to get animated always on display screen on your OnePlus Nord CE 5, just start by opening settings, move for wallpapers and style, and go for the always on display. So first of all, you can get the default one, like this one, or this one. You can click apply to get them. But also you can find something a little bit different, like Pingu or swimming fishes. Over here we can also find some animated images like this one, or for example this one. You can even create your own animation by going for custom patterns. So over here, as you can see, you can just draw something like so. You can also change paint brush and shapes. So as you can see, you can make changes. Everything will be animated until you finish. So as you can see, we can make some cool things over here. There we go. And now you can click done. And this is how it's gonna look. So you can click quickly apply. That's like pretty cool feature.